Creo que sí, diseño. ¿Las veces? Mucha canción de Divo, no sé cómo.
Hombre, yo canto la versión de Tony Braxton, a mí el Divo me la pela un poco. Can I help you?
Así culititas, no muchas.
Cuídame mi bonsai, perro.
Yo que le acabo de romper una rama. Igual si te hacen un descuento como unos 100 euros.
Ah, por romper otra.
Me acabo el árbol.
Greeting to him. Greeting. What? 何それ
Hello.
So we'll see you on Taikan also. Sure. This year I tried to arrange to be on the Taikan. Last year I just come back 1 day before the Taikan.
Did you visit any projects? We've been travelling around a lot. We went down So now we started. We first started doing the shoes and
So you business card also?
Mr. Mark,
How you doing?
how you doing?
Oh, it's such a worry.
Yeah.
We've done
I
that
read that
You
voice
recognize the voice.
message. Yeah, I know the really awesome. And how has been the trip?
Good, very busy.
Yeah.
Just like we were down on Kyushu yesterday.
How did you get to Kyushu? Despite Shinkansen?
Yeah, so we, but complicated. See, we were not so far from Yusei Spa, though, in a place called Shinkanma. Shinkanma Station. Kurumai? Kurumai? Kurumai, Okaima. And which one we should look at? So we changed twice.
Really?
7 hours.
Oh, big trip. Almost like a plane, you know?
Yeah, yeah. He gets just sat down, 7 hours. It's okay. It's comfortable. Yeah. It was a long journey back.
A lot of nice stuff.
Yeah, I mean, which is just what feels too good stuff we've all been shooting tanks and sort of thing. Haven't found any showing or bonds or
We're gonna be at the Taikan
Yeah, we have a tree exhibition. Kind of small size. Yeah. It'll be late.
Oh, we'll be only on the 22nd.
Hmm.
Because after that, my plane is leaving on the 23rd
Okay. Yeah.
from Medita.
So, who was the guy?
You know who to want?
Yes,
Yeah.
He's senpai, Akiyama-san.
Yeah,
He's as tall as you.
Really?
It's
Yeah.
like thin on top.
Feels like he's, yeah. Oh yeah, but Peter's, yeah, kind of like, look, there's his club. Oh, but he's, he has a business name, he's Saruyama. So, monkey mountain. Which is really hairy. Your northern English.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so he's going, so he has this, but all the other sheep, hairy like a monkey. And apparently there was like a cartoon program on Japanese TV. It was about like this king monkey that lived on the top of the mountain. It was called
Isn't that like
Monkey
the-
Mountain, and that's what he kind of, and that's what he called his business now.
Really?
It's a nice nickname.
Yeah.
Ah,
Anyway,
that's
so
nice.
Akiyama-san was Peter Senpai. When he was
We're going tomorrow to Chiba.
Oh yeah?
Is it nice? No?
Yes, good place.
Yeah. I've been there.
It's
7
changed a lot, not necessarily for the good now. He has many Chinese customers.
Really? Yeah. They take a lot of treatment.
It seems like anything that's really kind of blue and big and
And really long
Yeah.
branches like this because
So-
Chinese really love it. Yeah.
so he's kind of, so it's affected the kind of things he sells.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
It's
also
still-
how the
That's how
shop
business
is.
works.
Did you saw Rafa? It's
Yes,
yeah.
I saw Rafa in France.
Oh really?
In Saulieu, in the middle of France.
I'm a bit.
We won the Showing Prize there.
All right.
Or one of, there were 2 Showing Prizes. Do you know Bob Van Ryan?
Yeah,
Bob also.
yes,
That was
I
his
saw
first
it.
kind of big win at the show.
Yeah.
He'll be back.
We could hear us cheering a mile away, right? He got the prize.
I was saying to the guys that you too, I mean, Bob,
Yeah, we're always like
yeah,
this at
exactly.
competitions.
Yeah, but that is very nice. I think that.
Yeah, but we're good friends.
Yeah.
We're always trying to learn and improve.
Yeah. He will come back here to.
Yes, so we have to I think.
January.
Hmm.
That's a shame. I never could meet him again because I usually.
He's a tall guy, really skinny, tall guy. But he works for Martin Vander.
Oh really?
Yeah, he's in staff now, yeah.
Recently, 1 year.
1 year or so, yeah.
Yeah, because I remember that he was working in a gardening shop.
Yeah, because they kind of have, it's kind of like Martin's partner, there's a group of them, and they run like a high-end Japanese garden shop in a place called Boston in Holland. And Boston is a big growing area in Holland. Yeah, you know? So his partner had bought a house, and they then bought a piece of garden, a piece of land next.
It's nearby by Germany, huh?
Oh, it's not so far. I think Germany's maybe 1 hour or
1
so,
2 hours,
2 hour drive.
Yeah.
It's in, and Martin lives in Delft.
Mm-hmm.
It's a small country, so
Yeah.
it's north.
It's easy to move.
And cross borders.
Mm.
So anyway, so there's that part of the business called Japanese Gardens. And then Martin has owned a bonsai business, but there's a crossover there.
Oh,
for,
wow.
Martin does all the sourcing in Japan, so the contact. So, and then Martin, yeah, so Bob's job largely is he's going to run to make all the business for bonsai side. Yeah. And then he looks after Niwa or Niwa going up. So it's this side here, and this side is the same technique.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Only small a little bit more complicated.
So this maybe take you half a day, this takes you maybe half a week.
Yeah, it's more work, but
Yeah.
but
Another ladder.
I really admire Sonoma-san, the technique
Yeah,
to
it's
work on
amazing.
the mini sites. It's
Yeah.
amazing. I mean, we work like
The detail that he
Yeah,
can
Richard,
achieve.
Oh.
You like mammoth size?
Yeah, Richard does. So we now have big, well, smaller, our trees are getting smaller now, so maybe big tubing, down shogun, now marmite. So Richard was like, next time we go past Gaston.
Not really shooting, I like it. Now
Oh,
I think after Taishan and Shahin, it's quite a
Oh, wow.
different stuff.
I kind of found it was almost like learning again from the
Yeah,
beginning.
yeah,
You
yeah.
see, okay, that's small trees, that look pretty neat.
No,
It's very,
quiet difficult.
it's
Yeah.
really different.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, you know,
so
and
there's some, you know, a lot, some
If you break a
failures
branch in a big one, maybe you can fix
Yeah,
it.
I can
In
fix
a
it.
small one, you break a branch